Hi everyone, welcome back. So I think nesting mode has officially started for me at 22 weeks pregnant because I am in the mood of decluttering and organizing everything. So in this video, you will see me organize my bins on top of my washer and dryer because they've gone bonkers and they're a complete mess. And also my kitchen junk drawer because I can't even open it all the way. It's like really bad. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. So basically this area has become kind of like a catch-all right here for all of Michael's toys that I don't want him playing with just yet or without me or Michael's supervision. So they're like all up here and it's a little too much. It looks super crowded and I just need to get a hold of things. These bins are always here. This one is for any of Michael's like rags that we use throughout the day, and you know, we just throw them in there. The kitchen rags, and then these are supposed to be for some outside toys, but not this much. Like this is like too much. And then these bins, one is for all of my aprons, and this bottom one is for recycle. I am gonna build a shelf right above my deep freezer right here, and that's where those bins are gonna go. But for now, they're staying here. So Michael has this bin in his closet, and this is where I'm going to put a lot of those toys that is just too much up here. I'm going to put some of them up here because since they're toys I don't want him to play with without me or his dad, we're just going to throw them in here, and whenever we want him to play with them, we can just grab this bin from his closet. So this is basically the way it turns out, which looks still a little cluttered, but a lot better than it looked like. So like I said, those two stay here. This one just has chalk for when he goes outside. He has lots of chalk in here. I did put a ton in the bin because we just have a lot of chalk. This right here, these are some hooks that I have left over that I took out from the walls the other day. So I have them here for when I need them for another place. And this is basically like his bubbles. So he has a bubble machine, a little bubble wand, and then some bubbles like water. Obviously the bins are going to go there too, but they do have a home in the near future. But yeah, that looks a lot better. And anybody else have a monkey like this at home? Excuse me, monkey, get off. So here is the next thing I'm organizing. This is my kitchen junk slash paper and pen drawer, and it's kind of hard to open it. This is as much as it goes, guys. It is a complete mess. Complete mess. It's so embarrassing. Oh my gosh. It was organized at one point, but now it's just, you know, gotten off the wagon. So I need to organize this today. all of my paperwork. All of this right here is like trash, like it's all trash. All of this here is recycled, basically things that I hadn't even bothered to open or go through at all. They're just recycle or trash. Obviously some pictures I'm keeping. I have some manuals in there that need to go where all the manuals go, and this is the actual stuff that I'm keeping. A lot of this is like the ultrasound stuff from this second baby that I'm pregnant with, and then just stuff from the hospital and stuff like that. Nothing super important, but yeah, a lot of these papers are not even that important, and I don't know why I was keeping them. Basically it was just laziness because I just wasn't going through them. Okay, so here is some more stuff that isn't gonna stay in here. We have 2 birthday cards that Michael and I got this year, and I like to put them in a special place so I don't lose them. And then these are all like pens and pencils that we had in the drawer, but there's just like way too many. We do not need that much. And then all our electronic stuff also does not need to go there. I was able to take out one of the bins, and this is what it looks like now. It's so much better, and it opens up the whole way. So let me give you guys a little tour. So this first bin right here, I basically put in these 2 little measuring tapes, which are so cute. Aren't they adorable? And then a letter opener, some whiteout if we needed. I left a couple of pens, pencils, and markers in here, a pair of scissors, tape, sharpener, and 2 USB drives. This one has some pepper spray. I have this little tin right here full of gift cards, some hand sanitizer. I have a couple of Post-its right here, and then Michael's crayons. And the bin all the way in the back, it's basically things that we don't usually use, which are envelopes, an address book, some stamps. I have this little label with our address and stuff in it, some paper clips, and then a spare key for Michael's car. And then on this side over here, I put in like my hospital papers right here, which are like my prenatal information. And then this binder has a lot of my home stuff. I actually need to update this binder and put in a lot more things, but for now I have a couple of recipes. I have this pouch and then some clear papers. This is usually where I do like my my meal plan and my grocery list. And then I have some more cards from people that have come and worked on the house, and then again some more recipes. And then the very last thing in here is just this book that Michael got from work that he wants to take a look at, and I put in some important documents in there for us to keep in here. And that's pretty much it. I think it looks 1,000 times better, and it feels better just to have this space clean and be able to open the whole drawer without like a problem. It's so nice. I'm gonna do this all day. So I hope that gave you some motivation to get some decluttering done in your home and some organization done as well. If you did, I hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.